Hello everyone! In this tutorial I will show you how to install Cars Ultimate Edition mod correctly. If after installation you faced such problems as non-working sounds or the game just did not start, this video is for you. All these problems will be sorted out. I apologize in advance for my English, as it is not my native language. First of all, you need to install a clean game Cars International. It's necessary to install it through the installation program, and if you don't do this and simply unpack the ready-made archive with the game, you will encounter a problem with the sounds not working. I don't fully understand why this happens, but I assume that when you install the game through a special program, it also installs DirectX components that somehow affect the sound system. I will use the installer for the Russian version of International, as I'm from Russia, but you can use your own installers. I haven't checked as Steam doesn't work in Russia, but I think the game version from there will also work. If you don't have Steam and don't have an installer, you can use mine in Russian. I will have a link to it in the description. If you don't understand Russian, just press the same buttons as I do. You can turn off the music by clicking on this button. Here we specify the path where the game will be installed. We agreed to the DirectX installation terms. That's it. After that, click on the link in the description of the mod release video and download the archive. I already have the archive, so I don't need to download it. Unzip the archive to any folder and move the contents to the folder where you installed the game. This file we can delete. And now the most important step is to select the game's resolution. In the previous version of the mod, the default resolution was set to 1920 by 1080, which caused issues for those with monitors with different resolutions. However, I have addressed this issue, and the mod now works on all monitors. To do this, we go to the game resolution folder, select your screen resolution. In my case, it's 1920 by 1080. Go to the desired folder and move from there the data PC folder and the exe to game folder, confirming all replacements. That's it. Now the mod is correctly installed and everything will work. Let's check. As you can see, everything works. That's it. If you have any questions, write in the comments below this video.